the red one, right?
You don't have to. Here we are in the frozen Arctic tundra of Southampton, New York. There's at least 4 inches of snow on the ground in the last 2 hours. It's bloody cold. I don't know why my parents ever left the friggin' Sahara. I'm not genetically made for this. Take it away, Nishi.
I agree, Sarah. I don't know why we just had to move here. So as you guys can see, there's already 4 inches of snow in the past 2 hours. It's supposed to hit 3 feet. We'll keep you updating every hour if we survive, which we're hoping to. Just in case we lose power, we're equipped. We have candles and batteries and canned food.
And our company. Sign out, Nishi.
Sign out.
Bye.